JCB produce a premium product at a premium price, and we need to demonstrate to customers the benefits on offer. 406 wheeled loaders maximize on-site performance because they can be specified to precisely match customer requirements, giving the highest levels of versatility and utilization. They're easy to operate, making them faster and more efficient. So in the long run, operators save time, fuel and money traveling between site locations. JCB 406 wheeled loaders keep their price. When you come to trade up, no competitor retains more value. They're innovative. Hydrostatic drive simplifies operation and increases service intervals, reducing running costs. In some markets, JCB Finance can be used to assist customers in their purchase. In other areas, JCB dealers can advise on finance to suit most needs. So remember, there are 5 customer benefits to owning a JCB 406 wheeled loader: serviceability, versatility, cab comfort, performance, and cost of ownership.